नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग? स्वागत है आपका अंडरस्टैंड यूपीएससी में। एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू सम एनालिसिस ऑफ यूपीएससी सीसेट 2025. Okay, so first we start with the paper breakdown and paper structure, paper analysis. That is, you have 80 questions in the exam, total marks that is 200, duration 2 hours, it means 120 minutes. Okay, 2 hours and 120 minutes. Qualifying score is 66. But if you check out the questions, how many questions you need to qualify, that is 27. Okay, 27, that is 33% of 80. Okay, now okay, now what is the good attempt range? That is 55 to 65 questions. Actually, it is coming from the students. Okay, I'm not guiding you that you will attempt 55 to 65 questions, okay, with which you will qualify or not. I'm not saying. Actually, the problem is your accuracy. I'm trying to teach you like that you will do 100% accuracy. But I know it is not possible. So up to 90%, 80% we can achieve. Okay. Now the paper timing is 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. May 25 to 2025. Okay. Now what actually paper consists? Okay. Now that is reading comprehension is written here, but as you all know, that is not the reading comprehension. It is only comprehension. Okay. In the syllabus, it is mentioned. In the syllabus, what is it? That is comprehension. Okay, not reading comprehension. Reading comprehension consists of English language, but actually it is coming from reasoning. Okay, so now 29 passages, 36.25% paper actually covered from the passages. Okay, and the good attempt was 22 to 24. Okay, which type of topics passages covered? Okay, just see: education reforms and policy issues, climate change and environmental concern, corporate capitalism, digital era, social inequality, net zero carbon emission, and household behavior. Okay, and one more thing, हम लोग पेपर भी चेकआउट करेंगे, ठीक है? So don't worry. Okay, we will see the paper. Okay, now this section dominated the paper, as you all know. 16 passages covering 29 questions. Okay, 16 type. Okay, so now actually what was the written in the questions? Okay, the question types: inference, okay, and assumptions. These two are very easy. If you want to solve the passages, just attempt these two types. Okay, these are easily doable. Okay, easily doable. Okay, now the most appropriate, okay, option selection, actually, okay, the most appropriate, it was in the passage. The policy driven passage comprehension, okay, abstract concept understanding. So these type of passages, these are the question types actually. Okay, now second thing, that is quantitative aptitude and basic numeracy. Today we will know that how much was easily doable. Okay, so now the topic wise distribution in the basic numeracy, 25 to 28 questions was a good attempt, and 34 questions, it means 42.5% paper was covered from quantitative aptitude. Okay, it is not maths. First of all, it is not maths. Maths is different. It is quantitative aptitude, which actually belongs to your personal life. Okay, now number system, HCF, LCM, the prime number identification, divisibility rule, basic number properties. Okay, these three things were covered in number system, or approximate 10 to 15 questions were there. Okay, now percentage and ratio, basic percentage calculation. I can show you the question. Okay, so I will, don't worry. Ratio, proportion, problems, time, speed and distance, work and time, and in the work and time, pipe and cistern is included. Okay, average and statistics, sequence and series, algebra and inequalities, geometry and mensuration. See, all are easy, but if you check out, so not so much practiced. Okay, and easily understandable and easily doable, those are these topics: percentage, ratio, time, speed and distance, work and time, and average. Okay, and these will consist 8 to 10 questions in the exam. 8 to 10 question. Okay, now prime number identification was very easy. Actually, you have to put the values. Okay, we all know prime number was like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. 2 is the only even prime number and the smallest prime number. Okay, so the question was based on this. See, in the number system, actually there are not so much tricks. Okay, the questions were directly dependent on the basic numbers. Okay, basic numbers, not on so much tricks and like just divide these and this and this, you will get the answer. No, all were on basic number system, basic numbers. What are the prime numbers, natural numbers, odd, even? Okay, and it is always, actually, in 2023 it was same, in 2024 it was same, in 2025 it was same. Okay, now divisibility rule. As we all know, what is the divisibility of 2? That is, the last digit, the unit digit, must be divided by 2, must be divisible by 2. Now divisibility by 4, we all know last 2 digit, unit digit and tens digit, must be divisible by 4. Okay, or must be divisible by 4. If it is, then the whole number will be divided by 4. Okay, as we all know. So these are the very easy topics, and literally if you want to qualify the exam, I will recommend first focus on these, then number system. And one more topic I want to tell you, that is data sufficiency. Data sufficiency, high risk topic, highest risk topic, as I can say. Why? Because when you solve this, actually it is not demanding the answer. Actually it is asking how you got the answer. Just tell me that thing. Okay, that is called data sufficiency. In Hindi you can say, ये आपसे आंसर नहीं डिमांड कर रहा, इट इज एक्चुअली डिमांडिंग हाउ यू गॉट, आपको आंसर मिला कैसे, आप वो बताओ, या आंसर मिलेगा कैसे, हाउ विल यू गेट द आंसर. Okay, like by combining two statements, or only first statement is giving you answer, only second statement is giving you answer, like these things. Okay, and that is very important, because 7 to 9 questions were there, 79 questions, and it is, I'm telling you, actually in this thing, whole syllabus he can cover, whole syllabus. Okay, the number system, percentage, profit loss, everything he can cover in data sufficiency. And it is the amazing point, actually data sufficiency is the topic which comes in both sections, that is reasoning and quant. So it can cover the whole syllabus of reasoning and quant both. Okay, and in 2025 there were 7 questions from this topic. Okay, now coming to the reasoning, there were 17 questions from reasoning, that is 21.25% only. Difficulty level was moderate. Okay, 14 to 15 question you can easily. Topics were syllogisms. Actually, in the 2025 and 2023, he was not focusing on syllogism. He was focusing on inequality. Inequality. That is, you can see like A is greater than B, greater than equal to C, then D, like these type of questions. And in 2023, he was giving coded inequality. So now at that time, so many persons were saying, sir, it is of bank reasoning, bank reasoning, bank reasoning. But no, there was no patent of coded inequality of bank. Okay, so don't worry. Now direction and distance, coding decoding, blood relation, puzzles and arrangement, and one more topic, as you all know, that is data sufficiency. Okay, and see, in the numbers series, one number series, he always do you know what? See, number series and number system. Okay, in both there were at least one question. Always there was at least one, which was like this: mix with calendar. Mix with calendar. This year he gave number series, and now in 2023 he gave number system like 10 to the power 10. If today is Sunday, I think you got it. Okay, so calendar is also important, but not so much. These topics are very important. If you want to qualify the paper, it will consist 10 to 12 questions. Okay, 10 to 12 questions. I hope it is clear. Now, what is the difference between CSAT 2024 and 25? Okay, in the comprehension, there were 22 to 24 questions. Okay, but in 2025, these are 29 questions. In aptitude, there were 35 to 40 questions, and this year 34 questions. And now logical reasoning, that is 23 to 25 questions, and now 17 questions. Okay, so first of all, UPSC exam is unpredictable. So you have to learn everything. Okay, you can't skip a part or any part. You can't say, sir, if we skip aptitude or quant, so can we qualify the paper? No, because it is UPSC. Okay, it is not the alternate option, it is the main option. So you have to study hard and very hard if you want to qualify. Without prelims, you cannot give the mains. Okay, now coming to the paper, as we all that was, see, I'm showing you the some questions, okay, which were literally easy. Okay, and now check it out, this question, it is in Hindi. Just hmm, check out this question. Okay, what comes at x and y respectively in the following sequence? See, as I already told you, it is calendar plus number series. Okay. And now, so many people, what they will do, I'm telling you, January 31 days, okay. And now, again, January 31 days, okay. Again, December 31 days, October 31 days. Now, X 31 days. Okay. March 31, October 31. Now we don't know about why, but it is 30. It is 30. So it will be July, May, or July, April, June, May, June, April. So if you do like this, according to your common sense, if you literally studied with me, so if you use your common sense, see 31 days, 31 days. So you can see here 31 days. So two options are there, July. Okay. Now coming to the why. It is actually nearer to 30 days. So now May will consist how much? See, January, February, March, April, May. That is 31 days. So now May will not. April consists what? 30 days. January, February, March, and April. Okay. So answer is B. But actually it is not the concept of the question. Okay. It is not the actual solution. The actual solution was January to January, there were 13 months. If you ask January to January, 13 months. It is 12 month. It is 11 month. Now it will be 10 months. Okay. So now after October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. And including October, July would be 10. Hmm? No, sorry. Not like this. See. January plus 12 plus 11 plus 10, and now it will be plus 9. Okay, the months gap. So you will get the answer after doing this, July and April. But I always told you in the number series, first check it out the difference. Okay, so the difference is the correct solution of number series and any type of question in number series. First try to solve by the difference between two terms. Okay, now check it out the another question. First let me remove. Oh god, see this question, this question, and see with annotation PDF you will get on the application of Understand UPSC. Okay, don't forget. Now check it out. Team X scored a total of n runs in 20 overs. Team Y tied the score in 10% less overs. Had Team Y's average run rate, that is runs per over, okay, been 50% higher, 50% higher, the scores would have been tied in 12 overs. How many runs were scored by Team X? Okay, so we have to find out the value of n, and literally which topic it is, that is average. That is average. See, Team X scored n runs in 20 overs and Team Y tied in 10% less, it means in 18 overs. Okay, if Team Y's average run rate, been 50% higher. So what is the average run rate of Y? That is n runs upon 18. What is the formula of average? That is sum upon number of things. So n runs, the total runs upon 18 number of things. Okay. Now if I increase the 50%, okay, that is multiply by 1.5, or you can say multiply by 150 upon 100, both are the same things. Now, so the score will be tied in 12 overs. So multiply by 12. Now, what it will give you? It will give you again n. Now you will say, sir, n to n cancel and answer will be cannot be determined. No. Now just put 72. You will get again 72. If you put 144, you will get 144. If you put 216, you will get 216 again. Okay. So answer is cannot be determined how much is scored by X. Okay. So average, literally average has so much easy question. Okay. Now check it out, more questions. Okay. These are the passages. The social inequality, as I told you, it is the passage on social inequality. I already told you in the previous slides. Okay, check it out. Now, see, I talked about inequality, na? Inequality. See, it is the question of inequality. This one, much more. See, this question is of inequality. Okay, how will you solve? It is asking actually what it is saying. It is the statement. Okay, and B always greater than E, it is the conclusion. And here S is always less than V is also conclusion for the second thing. So it is saying consider the both statements. See, if I teach you, my method is different. See, you can check it out between B and E only. B and E, B and E. There are two different things, greater than or lesser than, are coming at a time. So it cannot be possible. We cannot define the relation between B and E. Now, S is always less than B. Okay. Now check it out. It is saying greater than, lesser than or equal to B. Lesser than or equal to. So it can be equal as well. So we cannot say it is S always less than B. So it is also wrong. So answer will be what? Answer will be neither one nor. Okay. It is the basic thing. It is the basic thing. So there are a lot of questions like this which were literally easily doable. Now see, one more question, that is what? Unit digit. Okay, a basic number, the basic rule is if you multiply anything by 5, any odd number by 5, you will get unit digit 5. So answer is C option, easy. Okay, and not only this question, I'm showing you one more. See this one, it is also on the basic thing. Okay, the answer is 1072. Basic. Okay. So I hope now you can easily understand my things. Now see this question. This one. Check it out. Let both P and K be prime numbers such that P square plus K is also a prime number less than 30. What is the number of possible values of K? Now what? How will you solve this? Why are you getting literally why are you tensed? Huh? See, P and K both are prime numbers, and when you perform P square plus K, okay, you will get a prime number which is less than 30. It means maximum it it can go 29. That is okay. Now, see, put P 2, 3, 5, 7 and K 2, 3, 5, 7, and you will get, you must get a prime number. Okay, see, if I put P equals to 2 first, so that is 2 square 4, and K 2, that is 6. No, 4 plus 3 you will get 7, 4 plus 5 that is 9, 4 plus 7 that is 11, more 4 plus 11 that is 15, 4 plus 13 that is 17, and 4 plus 17 that is 21. Okay, now 4 plus 19 that is 23. Now if you do 4 plus 23 that is 27. Okay, so now what, first, second, third and fourth. Okay, so k's value will be, k will be 3 and 7 and 13 and 19. Now put p equals to 3, that is 3 square 9 plus, now k equals to 2, 2 that is 11. Okay, now p square 9 plus 3 that is 12, 9 plus 5 that is 14, 9 plus 7 that is 16, 9 plus 11 that is 20. So only one prime number, that is 2. So how many values? 5 values of possible values, 5. So answer is B option. Okay, so it is the way to solve reasoning and quant. You have just be clear. Okay, and just be careful about that. UPSC does not demand tricks, it is demanding basic concept in CSAT. So just give strength to your basic concept. Okay, I'm not saying that don't solve with the shortcut. Okay, shortcut you can use, but what is the shortcut? Just understand this thing. Shortcut, it is the calculation by using your brain. If you calculate half or more than half question in your brain, if you solve this, that is the shortcut. And what is the trick? When we write equal to and the answer is here, so first the before answer thing, just convert it into the formula, and it is the trick. That is 2s1 s2 upon s1 plus s2. We all know it is the formula of average speed. No, it is the formula when there are two objects and they both are, okay, sorry, one object, it is covering two distances and both distances are same and the speeds are different. Then we can use it, and it is coming from the basic thing, that is total speed, total distance covered upon total time covered. Okay, that is the average speed formula, and it is coming from that thing. If I change the distances, you cannot solve the question by using this. But we are literally selfish. We must be. Okay. When you get the question that is two speeds and distance are same, so use it. यूज इट, है ना. डॉक्टर ने थोड़ी ना मना किया भाई कि हम नहीं यूज कर सकते. ठीक है, हमको बस बेसिक इसका पता होना चाहिए कि इसकी एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द रूट. Okay, we have to know that thing. Okay, so hope everybody is cleared that what actually CSAT is demanding, and I already told you the easily doable topics. Okay, like this: number series, number system, okay, data sufficiency, inequality, direction, distance, coding, decoding in the reasoning. Okay, now in the quant, these 5 topics and prime numbers and divisibility rules are also very easy. Okay, And data sufficiency is very important topic. I'm telling you, literally, data sufficiency is very important. And in 2025, if you ask me the prediction, I can say it will consist 10 questions. Okay, literally. And now in the passage, I already told you the easily doable thing is assumption and inference. Okay, so hope this video is okay for you. And if you like the video, it will be literally very appreciable for me. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you easily understand what I want to say. And don't forget, CSAT is very important thing, and UPSC does not demand tricks, it is demanding basics. Okay, so thank you so much. Have fun, be safe, have a good day. And if you want PDF, so you can go on the application and download with annotations. Okay, so thank you so much. Have fun. Love you 3000.